Okay guys, little project I want to quickly show you, just a couple of minute video. I bought these cars online for around 15 bucks Australian, AUD, whatever you want to call it. They're worth about 150 brand new. They're pretty brand new. Nothing wrong with them, except when I got them home, thinking it's all good, they had no batteries inside. So I'm guessing the batteries are worth a bit, which they are. I looked online, they're a little bit expensive. So let's just get into it. I'm going to show you what I've used first, just to, if you just want to get straight to the point. So this is the size of the battery, 18650, 6800 mAh, 3.7 volts, so 3.7 volt, 6800 mAh if you're looking for it. 18650 I think is the size of the battery, I'm not sure. So if you can get a smaller size battery with the same around sort of power, there's nothing wrong. Look, if you can get it at 3.7, because the original battery is a 3.2 700 mAh, so if you can get a 3.2 or a whatever 3.7 around 1000 mAh, that's fine. But I found these in the drawer and I thought, you know what, we'll give them a go. These are the connectors I used, as you need to plug them in, which I'm about to show you. Everyone gets all this. Let's see if we can do here. I'll pull it over a little bit. Okay, I'll just unclip it so you can see the connector. So as you can see, that's the connector, that's the wiring that goes to the battery that I bought. I bought them online for like $5. Let's clip back in. The battery doesn't fit inside, that's why I say if you want to get a smaller battery, around, if anything about 3.2 to 3.7 is fine. Just don't get anything over 1000 milliamp, or just depending on the size of the battery. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but you know what? You get the idea. Just don't get a big battery you want to put it inside without modifying it, but I've modified it like this. I know that everyone's probably going to comment and say, oh, that's so dumb, just get a smaller battery. You know what? This is what I found in the drawer. I probably will buy smaller batteries, so for the time being, they look like they're amped up, supercharged, ready to take on the Fast and Furious 66, whatever the fuck they make. And yeah, this is it. This is the one. I can give you a little run through, and we'll see how we go. So I'll turn it on. Turn it on. Alright, pair the control. Hopefully it pairs. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's a bit of a weirdo, and you got to turn the control on and turn the car off. Let's try again. Are we going? Yeah, we're good. There we go. Maybe you got to do the remote first. Alright, let's go. We'll give Mario a turn. Can only go in a straight line. I'll do my best to keep it straight as I am by myself filming. So yeah, let's give it a go. As you can see, goes all right. Just got to turn it around. As you can see, I'm trying to steer with my heads. All right, and that's it. But yeah, just look. It's pretty easy. You don't need to modify it like this. Just get a smaller battery. Just buy those clips, which I showed you earlier on. If you buy those clips, and just go from there. That's it. Stick it inside the battery, the compartment, and go from there. But yeah, it's too expensive every other way for the Carrera. And that's all I got. Looks dumb, but you know what? It works. Have a good one.